Good evening. I am JC Paul Varghese, President of JCI Trichur City. I am now speaking from Lulu International Convention Center. That's the venue of NatCon 2012. I am fortunate enough to have our National President of JCI with us this evening. We'll ask him some questions and hear more about JCI. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
That is, you have been the national president, but now it's in the fag end of your presidentship. Can you share your experiences as the national president of JCI?
Yes, definitely being a national president of Junior Chamber International India was a wonderful experience and an opportunity for a young individual like me. When I traveled throughout the country, I could meet all the JCs in between the age of 18 to 40 and seen lot of enthusiasm among all the JC members. This year, we are able to make lot of achievements in 2012, and this national convention is the place where we are going to celebrate all our achievements and successes and presenting our report to all the grassroots members and getting their applaud in this convention. I am very happy in this Lulu Convention Center where around more than 3,500 JCs of all over the country came together under one roof, and it is very good, nicely hosted by this chapter president and the JCs of Kerala. So I wish all the best for this wonderful convention.
That's regarding the misbehavior to women and children in India. That's a big issue going on in Delhi now. Can you give any suggestions or something that how JCI can handle the situation, or how we can make people aware of the importance of respecting women and children?
Definitely, our organization is the only organization in the world who laid the foundation of good character and citizenship in the organization. We teach the moral values. We teach how a young citizen can develop the peace among each other. Definitely, giving moral values and educating a citizen is a wonderful work which our organization do. All the JC members have that message inside them, and definitely we are spreading with 42,000 of JCs all over the world this message, and it will definitely help this thing. And we have a total respect to the women. We have a lot of female members in our organization. We have auxiliary wing, JC Red Wing, around 40,000 members in that JC Red Wing. Definitely, we as a JC are going to provide the solution for this organization.
I wish all the best to you as in conducting this in your presidentship as the national president. We are very confident that in your presidentship the JCI movement has been developed very much in India, especially in Kerala, and under your leadership we had the opportunity to host you this NatCon in Trichur, in our hometown. We thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Trichur City, for wonderful national convention, and my best wishes to everyone, all the JC members in the Kerala, for have a wonderful year 2000, and all the best for the happy new year, and every best to everyone.
Now we are having our past challenge editor, Dr. KB Giridas, with us in the NatCon Avenue of Lulu Convention Center. I would like to know his comments on NatCon and the preparations that have been made. He was also an active part of the committee in forming NatCon in Trichur. We would like to have his suggestions and his experience in planning NatCon in Trichur.
Thank you, my dear Jesse. A really happy moment for me, because we are at Trichurian or Keralite, and this is a real opportunity to see all the people from all over India to be here in Trichur, Lulu Convention Center. That we are experienced a lot of national convention in the last 10 years, but this convention is our own city, our own place, and we are welcoming all the delegates from all over India, and we are enjoying the real thrill moments of the national convention 2012 here.
Today we have with us our most respected JC leader, JC Vallabh Das. He is our JCI Foundation Chairman. We are most honored to have our JCI Foundation Chairman JC Vallabhdas with us at Lulu International Convention Center, venue of NatCon 2012. Sir, greetings from JCI Trichy City.
Thank you.
We are most honored to have you here. You have attended, I think, more than 40 NatCons in your JC life. So, can you most elaborate on that?
Well, I've been attending National Convention of JCI India from 1969 onwards. So this is the 44th National Convention I'm attending. And it has always been a fresh experience every time. I have no hesitation in acknowledging that this is the best of the 44 conventions I have ever attended. And in terms of organization, in terms of arrangements, in terms of get-up, in every aspect, this national convention has been very well organized and is going to remain in our remembrance for a very long time to come.
It has been a long cherished dream of the JCs of Kerala to bring the national convention to God's own land after 22 years. At this moment, I, with a great feeling of gratitude, also with a great or deep feeling of sorrow, remember the person who was responsible to bring this national convention to Kerala for the 5th time, our past national president, Senator S. Rajendranath Pai. It was his dream and it was his inspiration that prompted the team COC to host 57th National Convention. Unfortunately, on 15th July 2012, he left us to heavenly abode. But I am sure that when Senator Vallabhdas ji was just talking that it is the best ever national convention he attended since 1969, one soul may be listening to his words and may be so happy in sitting heavenly abode, and that will be the soul of our past national president S.R. Pai. I am very thankful to Senator Vallabhdas ji for helping us in a big way. National President Dr. Nilesh Zawar, immediate past National President, and it was totally a teamwork. Convention Director Dr. Elias, Vice Chairman, past National President Santosh, another Vice Chairman, JCI, Executive Vice President for next year, Shainti Bhaskaran. Everybody worked, 400 members in a team worked together, and if at all this convention is a success, as endorsed by Vallabhji, I leave the credit and I give the credit to the entire members of the organizing committee.
I had organized many events in Dental Association and Rotary, but for my satisfaction, this is one among them. And we don't thought of to accommodate 3,500 delegates in this small city, the cultural capital of Kerala. But there was no complaint among the delegates. It was a full, satisfied and enjoyed conference.
We are hosting this national convention after the gap of 22 years. And we had our own thoughts of how to accommodate this much of people, more than 3,000 people in this venue. But only one big umbrella, one big gathering of minds made it possible. That is the JCs of Kerala. And we made it possible, and this is going to be one of the most outstanding national conventions in terms of participation, glamour and glitter. Definitely entire credit goes to each and every member of JCs of Kerala.